Goodness. You walk around. No. All right. All right. So I don't know how long I'll stay with you guys today, just because. See, I'm like $26 away from passing the challenge. Once I pass it, I'm gonna lock in on my other accounts I'm trading, my other funded accounts. So I literally felt $2 short. I got in some sales that I can't explain right now, just because the market's about to open. Let's focus on that. I literally felt $2 short of my target, and then I tried into one contract and then I lost 20 some dollars. That's why right now I'm about $25 short of the $9,000 mark to pass this 150K challenge for Apex. It's the same account that I've been trading with you guys on here, so these lows are too equal. Smooth. Straight drop. Oh, allergies. Gone. Mm-mm-mm. My goodness. Straight drop. I don't know if we're gonna get a chance to enter this trade actually. It looks like it's supposed to go clean house. Straight to 20,850. It's gone. Man, oh man. So it cleared out the lows. It's just skating. I don't know if it's even going to. It's liquidity resting at, well, tap the first liquidity pool. Second one, I just want to say. But there's some more to go. It's liquidity resting below here. The way these markets are moving, might just go straight for it. Won't be surprised. I hope it doesn't. I want to get on this train, but man, we're moving speed. If it takes this out, don't be surprised if it comes with this. One thing at a time. Salty that didn't stay in this one. Just a mile away. Wow. Army's actually salty, guys. That did stick to this trade. I won't even lie to you because you can literally see. And that's the thing. My strategy has been mainly based on the intraday charts, second charts. So sometimes my fluctuations might get me out, but this is a clear light. This is fair value gap. All right, trades right in there and drops. And that's why I sold initially, but get from 1 minute perspective. You're gonna see I actually sold in there. With that in mind, but then start tinkering with it. Feel a lot in here, a lot back and forth. But I sold here initially. I should have just kept that position, but I should ride. My risk was really 10 points. Anyways, beyond the point. Should really stick to that. It was also near the weekly open price, which is here, Monday's price. Let's draw that out. That was nice. But again, this liquidity is still here, and these lows right here are still for the taking. The question is it going to give me an entry? Part of this hurts. This actually hurts. It hurts, man. It hurts so bad. So everything. All right, we have PMI news at 9:45. So in the next 9 minutes, let's see if we can get some type of retracement. That's what I'm hoping for. If not, this thing's a straight shot. Straight shot lower, and I missed the train. That's just a fact. The way it's moving, it just looks like it's going straight for. And we got opening gap low here. It has no remorse. And if we trace this, I will consider some shorts. This thing is just out of there. I just don't see this shit coming back at all. I ain't gonna press the button. I'm gonna get too eager. Man. Let's watch this inversion fair value gap here. Maybe price can trade back into that and give us something to trade off. I'm just trying to get $20, $25. That's it. So even with that, I can't just go in here and press buttons recklessly, right? I gotta wait for that setup. All this is $25 to complete this challenge, and I'm done. But I gotta be patient. So we have 9:45 news in 7 minutes. Then at 10 a.m. we also have news as well. Core PCE. Rid of the de novo. So let's hope we get some type of retracement. That's the only thing I'm waiting for. Girls, the 850 level I was talking about. It's really just a 100-point move. It looks, it's taking a step back. It's just a 100-point move. Again, I've been in those. You guys saw me catch a 250-point move, but I think it's gonna be jumping more. My only reason why I'm a little annoyed is just I showed you how the 15-minute chart. I only said annoyed, but like should just stuck to my setup. Just put my entry here and then left that white stop up here. Just left it there. Both these highs. And enjoyed this run lower. So that's a little pitfall when you're trading super intraday. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes you will miss like the largest swing because you're so focused on what's happening on second charts, lower time frame. So that's just the truth of it, which is nothing wrong with it, but Just so you know, it's kind of the pitfall you get sometimes when you're ultra focused on lower time frame. You can just, if you're not careful, you will miss those bigger setups, or you just won't feel comfortable holding them, just because you're used to like seeing things just move in a uniform manner. And once one thing disrupts, like a high is taken out or something, you might feel a little bit uncomfortable and say, you know what, I'm just gonna get out of trade until I see a more structured move. So those are things. I mean, that's something I just took note of myself right now. So I got to be careful not to miss that higher time frame, clean, clear setups, right? I wonder what mic. Oh, this is probably not using the right mic. It is. All right. So news release incoming in about 10 seconds. This is the first one. And this one at 10 o'clock. This one's medium impact. So let's see what it does. I'm more inclined to touch price action after the second one. Watch those highs on that 1 minute chart. Watch these highs here. Eyes, watch that. You guys are probably thinking, where will I get in? We'll see if I even press the button. This could have been an easy buy real quick here. Probably wanted to buy that. Double check, see if I want to do it. It's too late now. Just a little bit. It's gonna be a very, very tight buy. Just see if I can get $25 on this one. My stop loss will be resting below these lows right here. It's not the strongest buy. Melt. If it runs below this candle's body, the wick, I'll be out. This doesn't look like this buys will stand. I don't like this. I'm just risking one contract. That's why I don't care as much. I'll stop loss and play. Bad. I'm trying to see if we can get one more movement above this high. These markets are overall weak. I'm just really struggling here. Looks like it wants to drop. Yep. Again, the better entry is probably gonna come in next 10 minutes, which is the news. So let me do this. It's too late now. It's gonna knock me out. It's gonna knock me out more than likely. Yep. Here we go. So $55 away. These lows look like they're in jeopardy. If there wasn't news in the next 9 minutes, I will be taking this short. I can see this dropping here. But there's news in 9 minutes. That's what's holding me back. Out of there. It's gone. But as long as the market might just keep dropping. So, okay. Now I can retrace here. Starts coming back, then automatic here. No, I thought I was gonna get in at the news event. This looks like one of those markets that just keep dropping. That can keep dropping. But the way it ran those lows out right before the news event, it's probably gonna retrace deeper. Let's see. I'm super dialed in on the second charts right now. That's all my hands on the trigger. Any movement up against it. Mm-hmm. The way I'm analyzing is like the higher time frame that 15-minute intro showed you already set the tone. So it might not even really give a meaningful pullback for traders that didn't get in at that time to get in. That's why I'm super hyper focused on this lower time frame right now. I'm just gonna wait. And then just keep dropping. So let's wait for that 10 a.m. news release. But I don't know why I'm gonna trade one contract. Let's make it two. Let's hit that target easy. I'm about to trade one contract. If I was trading two, I would have been hit the target. Oh, I need $50 more. Nothing crazy. This challenge getting past it in case you wonder. It doesn't have to, but it would. It does $50. Then you find that fluctuation. That's it. We just need to get the count to 159,000. That'll be an Apex challenge pass. Oh, everyone's trading in front of you guys. Well, some of them weren't. Like yesterday, I got into a trade in the PM session, which put me like $200 away from my target. But for the most part, the whole account was traded on YouTube Live. You can go watch the previous videos. And you see it's the same account that's been growing. So in total, again, I have passed 3 other top step challenges in front of you, totaling 400,000 funded. So 400K funded on top step, and then now Apex trying to get this 150K funding here, all traded live in front of you guys. So just working here, not screaming on social media about any accomplishments right now. Just constantly working and proving that it's possible. Just gotta have time and patience. So, anyways, news release is coming right now in 8 minutes. Let's just see if it even wants to give us a run above here. Doesn't have to happen, but let's just see if we get that. Or if we do a straight flush. Looks like it's about to be a straight flush. I'll see if this one's act as order block here. That's why I got in the trade. That's not what I was looking for. I'm gonna draw that after I close out this trade. A little bit more. Come on now. I ain't closing out too early this time. We're gonna get it right on the money. Let's go. Stop playing with me. $2 more again. This is where I was at earlier today. I closed out the trade a little bit too early, and it cost me. So I'm not trying to close out yet. I want to hit that target because I'm really above the. Bam. Now we close it. Perfect. So challenge passed, challenge completed. That is done. All right. This fair value gap here. But that's a little more. Okay, that's gonna be it. I need to focus on my other accounts right now. So next time I'll talk to you guys later.